Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Welcome to this series of videos in which we are showing how you can utilize Microsoft Excel functionalities to solve the algebraic Olympiad math problems, algebra problem. Okay, so let's take it from the scratch that how do we do that? Okay, so we go to SA Logic. It's a beautiful source of all these problems, and great presentations are done by SA Logic. And so first of all, I express my special thanks to SA Logic for I'm using their problems as a basis to show how to do the same thing which they are doing it theoretically, concept building of the students. What I'm making the point here is that how if in your practical life, if you need to apply Excel, how would you use Excel to come up to the solution of the problem, right? So let's take this is our problem: x/2 whole power raised to power 6 equal to 3 raised to power 6. And what is x? Okay, wonderful question. And what we do is we first of all use the paintbrush, and we show you how we do this. Okay, this was our previous problem. We remove this previous problem. Okay, that's it. So then we type x. Okay, here we say this is our x. Fair enough. Okay, and then we type 2, right? Okay, so we make it a bit indented so that we have to write beneath x, and we will draw a line between it, and we'll make the raised to power 6 into it. That's right. Okay, so one thing is done in here, and this is fine. We close it, and now we need a line. Okay, so we enlarge it. We draw a line, a bit for this kind of line is better. Okay, so we draw a line. That's right. Right. Okay. Now and we say equal to 3. So we put an equal to sign using here. This is equal to sign, and we put a 3 in here. We put a 3. So this is 3 raised to power 6. That's right. So this is our equation, and we drag this thing near to here. Okay, undo. So we drag this thing. So this is our. So now we hold down Shift and window sign and S. This will help us draw a selection which we want to copy. So this will, it will be taken into the clipboard, and then now we can take it to here. We put it temporarily in here. Okay, we will be using it, and we first of all bring this thing. First of all, we bring all these things. This is the copy of our previous, right? So what we do, we paste it here. Okay. So we replace this image with this image. So let's drag it and put it in here. We drag it so that we have the answer at O103. O103 is our answer row. That's good. Okay, so this is our O103. And what we do here is enlarge it so that it covers more than 5 columns. This is our requirement, that it should cover at least 4 or 5 columns. So it will be treated as a question image for our database posting, right? Okay. Now this is our x. Let's remove it. Put a 1, for example, in here. If it is x, and the stage 1 is x/2 power 6. So we use a power function this time. Power. Okay, we take power power of this divided by 2. This is our stage 1. And then what power do we want? 6. Raised to power 6, not 5, 6. Okay. And we close this bracket. So this is our, this is our, this is divided by 2. And that is raised to power 6. And this is giving you something like, for example, if you have 2, say 2 divided by 2 is 1. If we say 2, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 raised to power 6 is 1. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's fine. The next is what we do, the 2, that is 3 raised to power 6. Again, we can use the power function, power, and 3, power of 3, 3 raised to power what? 6. Okay, so power function is very smart function. We can use it. 3 raised to power 6 is 729. That's right. Okay, 3 raised to power 2 is what, for example? 9. That's right. And 3 raised to power 6 is 729. That's fine. Okay. Now, so this should be equal. So if this is deducted into this, it should be 0. And if it is 0, then it will become 1. Otherwise, it will keep giving you answer 0, and it will keep attempting until we have a 1 in here, right? That's so far so good. That's right. We will use the same function in here to solve this equation, and the answer will appear in the row number on the row number 103. Okay, so let's see that what is the VBA for this. So it is our previous solution. We do not want to disturb it, so we will make a copy. We have made a copy, and we will make it, the 8 will become 9. This is the 9th question, right? And here it is 103 is our answer row. 103 is our answer row, and our check row is 109. Our check row, the row which is showing you 0 at the moment, C, 109. So 109 is the check row. 109 is the check row, and X row is 105. 105. Why? Because this is the X value of X, and this is C. So only if you have these things set, so this program should work and come up with the positive answer, right? So first of all, it will try positive. If it is not solved, it will try the negative too. Okay, but I hope the positive will do, and the system will bring you the right answer. So first, the thing we have to do is assign this macro with the text box number 9. That's right. That's it. So let's generate. So this is the value of x is 6. The value of x is 6. So 6 divided by 2 power 6 is equal to 3. 6. That is 729. That's right. Okay. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 raised to power 6 equal to 3 raised to power 6. That's right. The answer is ready for you. So it is not posted. It is not posted. So what we got to do? We got to post it. Okay. So it will take it to the quiz, and you can go and see the quiz. Your quiz is ready with all these randomly picked the choices, and it is in the first choice is matching with the right answer, that is 6. Okay. If you double click to go to the next question, you will have this recently updated question. Just now we have added this question, and these multiple choices have been ready for the audience to answer. If their answer is this, so they win. Otherwise, they lose. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.